Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to contact Roblox support. To get assistance, you will primarily use their online support form, which is the most effective way to reach them. While a phone number exists, it mainly directs you to an automated system for leaving a voicemail. Roblox customer service focuses on helping with billing and account-related questions, along with various technical problems you might encounter on the platform. The official Roblox support form is your go-to method for most issues. Head over to Roblox.com/support to begin. You will need to fill out your Roblox username, your first name, and an active email address. Be sure to select the most appropriate help category and subcategory for your problem. Providing a detailed description, including your device type and any error messages, helps them assist you faster. While the online form is preferred, you can call Roblox customer service at 888-858-2569. This line operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, but it's an automated system where you leave a voicemail. They will call you back. For general inquiries, you can email info@roblox.com, and for moderation appeals, use appeals@roblox.com. Remember, direct live phone support is not available. To ensure the quickest and most effective support, always be as descriptive as possible in your request. Include your Roblox username, the device you are using, and any specific error messages. Attaching screenshots or purchase receipts can significantly help. After submitting, Roblox typically responds within 24 to 48 hours. Always use official Roblox channels to avoid scams and protect your account information.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.